In this quick video, I'll show you how to hide your Active Now status on Instagram so people can't see when you're online or last active. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Messages and Story Replies. Then tap Show Activity Status. Step 5. Toggle off Show Activity Status. This hides your active now and last active status from everyone. Optional. If you also want more privacy in DMs, toggle off Read Receipts right above it. And that's it. Your Instagram activity status is now hidden. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.